How do I find or change my network security key or password?
Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll tackle a common but critical task: how to find or change your network security key or password. This password is what secures your Wi-Fi network, preventing unauthorized access.
What is a network security key?
A network security key, also known as your Wi-Fi password, is a security element that prevents unauthorized devices from connecting to your wireless network. It's crucial to have a strong, unique password to ensure your network remains secure.
How to find your network security key?
To find your network security key, you'll need access to your router's settings. Here are the steps. 1. Connect your computer to the router using a wired connection or Wi-Fi. 2. Open a web browser and type in your router's IP address. Common ones are 192.168.0.1, 192.168.1.1, or 10.0.0.1. Check your router's manual if these do not work. 3. This should bring up your router's login page. Enter your username and password. If you've never changed these, they're likely to be the default ones listed in your router's manual. 4. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings. This could be under tabs such as Wireless, Wi-Fi, or Wireless Security. 5. Here, you should see your network security key or password. Depending on the router, it may be listed as a pre-shared key, passphrase, WPA key, or WEP key. Remember, do not share your network security key with people you do not trust.
How to change your network security key?
Changing your network security key follows a similar process. 1. Access your router's settings as outlined in Section 2. 2. Navigate to the wireless settings. 3. Locate your network security key and replace it with a new, secure password. Make sure it's complex and unique for better security. 4. Save your changes and exit the settings. 5. Remember, all devices previously connected to your Wi-Fi will need the new password to reconnect. And that wraps up our guide on finding and changing your network security key or password. Securing your Wi-Fi network is a crucial step in protecting your data and devices from unauthorized access, so make sure to change your password periodically and keep it secure. Stay safe online.